One day, a clever little crow found something strange, a vending machine. It tilted its head and thought, if I drop pebbles like in that old story, maybe snacks will come out. Tried. Nothing happened. Then, by accident, it dropped a rupee coin. Clunk. A biscuit popped out. The crow danced in joy. The next day, it snuck into Grandma's room and stole a few shiny coins from her purse. It flew back to the vending machine, dreaming of more snacks. But this time, the machine blinked and said, "Order." And so, the crow learned something new. Smart tricks don't always work, especially on machines.